Hello, today I want to talk to you about the 47 sounds of Australian English. I will start first of all with the single vowel sounds. If you can do those very well, you will also be able to do the double vowel sounds and triple vowel sounds. And then we will do the consonants. You will notice that I will explain a bit about the sounds as we go along. So let's start. The first sound is the long E sound. You'll notice there's two dots that look a bit like a colon, and that makes it long. Eat, easy. Number two, it. India. Number three, u, put, should. The long u, pool, school. Number five, you tighten your mouth. Blue, through. Number six, egg, smile, elephant. Number seven, the schwa, always unstressed and very soft. Mother, father, brother, sister. Oftentimes Australians will swap the schwa for the sound underneath, the sound. Mother, brother. The next sound, number 8, is the long schwa. So the short one is the long one is There's no sound. We call it a non-rhotic sound. So you could say burn, curl, no. Next one is another non-rhotic sound, or, born. And number 10, open your mouth that way, apple, ant. And of course we have up, a short Then we have the long We say barn. Another no sound, barn, farm. Comes next. And that's all the single vowel sounds. You can feel the vibration of all the vowels on your voice box. So they're voiced sounds. In fact, all of the Aussie sounds are voiced except for 8 non-voiced consonants, which we will talk about in a minute. Next, we'll do the double vowel sounds, where you will join 2 single sounds, 2 vowel sounds to make a double or a diphthong. Your tongue will slide from one sound to the next. Your mouth shape will change. You need to make 2 sounds. Don't be in a hurry. It's very important to say both of these sounds. Ia, near, day, made. 16, ua, tour. Another non-rhotic sound. There might be an R in the word, but we don't say it. Notice any sound that has a schwa at the end of it will be non-rhotic as well. So here we have number 17, oi, soy. 18, o, 19, air, hair. 20, I, my, why. And 21, down, town. And of course, we have the triple sounds of 22 and 23. Iron, iron, higher. And 23, hour, power, tower. And that's all of our vowel sounds. We've done it. Good job. Next, we'll start the consonant sounds. The first two rows are full of twins. I call them twins because the lips and the mouth shape and the tongue position is the same for each pair. The only difference is that one of them is unvoiced, no movement in the voice box, and the other one is voiced. And B, the first pair, we can see that there's a green line under P because it's unvoiced. You cannot feel any movement here. But B, definitely you could feel movement. P, B, T, ten, den. You can see the T has no movement. Ch also is unvoiced. Chin, gin. K, cod, God. Which one am I saying? You can't tell because the mouth shape and the tongue position are the same for K and G. The only way you can tell is by putting your hand here on my voice box or if I say it out loud. Let's do the next row. Bite your bottom lip. Ban, van. They're twins. Tongue out between your lips and thanks. Thursday. This, that. Feet together. Sip and zip. Next to show and Asia. The last row now of our consonant sounds. We have 3 sounds in Aussie English that are nasal. The air comes out of the nose. And to check that you're saying them correctly, you block your nose. And if you can't say the sound, it means it's correct. So let's try it. Met. I'm saying it correctly. Net. Net. I can't say it. Sing. Okay, that test has been passed. The next ones. Hip, hip, hip. Lip. Put your tongue up, touch the top of your mouth. Lip, lip. Now, don't touch the top of your mouth, about the middle of your mouth, but don't touch the top. What's the difference between L and R? Well, the R doesn't touch the top, the L does, but the L is not through the nose, and the N is through the nose. Then we've got W, wet, and Y, yet. I hope you've enjoyed those. I think we need to practice though, don't you? Bye. Thank you.